Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating this rustic wall sign for your kitchen or dining area. This sign features a faux galvanized corrugated metal look that I created from items purchased from the Dollar Tree. Please see the description box below to see all of the items and tools used for this project. I am excited to share this tutorial with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current and new subscribers to my channel. If you are a new visitor today to my channel and love to create fun and easy DIY projects on a budget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new DIY tutorial is ready to share with you. So now let's jump right into that tutorial. The items I will be using include 3 of these hanging decorative signs I purchased from the Dollar Tree. We'll need a piece of poster board and some burlap ribbon. The first thing we're going to do is to print out the word you want to use, and I used Microsoft Word and selected the font Cooper Black in the size 750. Then go ahead and take your poster board. You want to lay it down with the matte side up, and you want to arrange your letters on the poster board. Then you want to cut off the poster board that will fit all of your letters. Now go ahead and lay down a cutting mat to protect your surface and grab your poster board piece. Remove all the labels. Then you want to place your letters face down on that poster board. Now grab your embossing tool or ballpoint pen and you want to trace around the edge of the letter. Now when you remove the letter, you will notice that some of the ink has transferred onto the poster board. And now we're just going to go ahead and repeat this with the other letters. Now you want to grab the ruler, and we want to make marks every ½ inch along both of the short sides of your poster board. Then we want to take a longer ruler and we want to align those marks that you just made and use your embossing tool to score those lines across the letters. And here it is, ready to go. So now we're going to take our X-Acto knife and we're going to go ahead and cut out all of our letters. Alright, now we're ready to paint on the shiny side of that board. I will be using this Krylon paint in the color Brilliant Silver. Now go ahead and apply a generous amount of that paint on the letter. Then you want to take a crumpled up paper towel and dab the paint while it's wet. And this will create a textured galvanized look. And here are all of the letters painted and textured. So while these dry, we're going to go ahead and work on our signs. We'll start by removing the jute string by cutting it and placing it to the side. We're going to go ahead and reattach this at the end. Now lay down a protective cover on your working surface and gather your painting supplies. And we will be using this white chalk paint to paint the signs. Now we're going to be applying just 1 coat of this paint to the signs, and don't forget those edges. And here they are, all dried. So now just grab your ruler and we're going to draw a line with a pencil marking each individual board. So next we're going to use this acrylic paint in the color Pavement. Now with a fine brush, we're just going to paint a rough line over your pencil lines. Now after that dries, go ahead and grab some white acrylic paint and add that to your palette. Now using a dry white, like a chip brush, go ahead and mix and blend the two colors lightly and apply the paint, giving it like a distressed look. And we're going to do this on all three of our signs. Now our letters are finally dry. Look at the texture on these, it turned out perfect. So here I'm just going to go ahead and test fit the letters. Now you can apply them flat if you like, but I'm going to use my embossed lines and fan fold them. Now to fold, I'm just going to fold on the edges and work my way in, and I'm just going to follow the embossed lines. And here are all of the letters when all folded and complete. Now go ahead and grab your signs. You go ahead and place your letters on top. Now you can go ahead and adhere these onto the sign now, but I think I might want to add a little something. I think I want to add some burlap. So I grabbed a roll of burlap ribbon, and then I measured, cut, and hot glued it onto the board, just like I'm showing here. Now I'm using burlap ribbon, but you can definitely use burlap fabric if you have it on hand. And here they are with the burlap. Now go ahead and grab your letters, and you want to center them on the burlap. Then all we do is to go ahead and hot glue them in place. Then we're just going to go ahead and repeat this with the other letters. So now we want to put that string back on. So we want to take the string and we want to apply just a tiny bit of hot glue to one of the ends of the string. Believe me, it makes it much easier to feed back through. Then we just tie in a knot and we are all done. And here is the completed project. I really love how these turned out. And I think that the look of the rustic wood and the burlap is so warm and inviting. The detail in these letters looks so authentic and perfectly fits the cozy farmhouse theme that I was going for. Your guests will never know that these were made from poster board. One of the great things about this is that you can customize the wording and the colors and the fabrics to suit your own taste and inspiration. You can use this idea to make signs for each room in your home. The possibilities with this project are endless. Listen, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. This lets me know that you're enjoying my videos so I can keep bringing you more projects. Thank you so much for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and don't want to miss the next one, make sure you're subscribed by clicking that button below and turning on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.